For companies that rely on Salesforce to manage their customer and operational data, having a native accounting solution that integrates directly into that ecosystem can significantly streamline financial processes. Accounting Seed is a flexible, cloud based financial management platform built natively on Salesforce. It enables businesses to handle everything from general ledger and project accounting to billing and financial reporting, all within the same environment. Accounting Seed is designed for growing businesses looking to automate manual tasks, improve visibility in financial health, and align accounting with the rest of their operations. In this video, we'll walk through Accounting Seed's key features, explain the real-world benefits, and help you understand why it's a powerful solution for modern finance teams. So for its key features and benefits, first is the General Ledger Management. General Ledger module is the financial backbone of Accounting Seed. It supports multi-segmented chart of accounts, customizable accounting periods, journal entry templates, and real-time ledger updates. You can manage accruals, allocations, and consolidations with ease. With full visibility and real-time data syncing, teams can make faster decisions and maintain accurate, audit-ready financial records. The flexibility of the general ledger also makes it easy to tailor financial structures to specific business models. Another key feature is the accounts payable and receivable automation. Accounting Seed streamlines your AP/AR processes by automating vendor bill entry, payment approvals, customer invoicing, and collections. It supports recurring billing, credit memos, and payment reminders, reducing the need for manual tracking. These tools not only save time, but also improve cash flow and reduce the risk of late payments or missed invoices. Integration with bank needs also allows for easier reconciliation and financial accuracy. Another key feature is the project accounting and time tracking. The platform lets you link financials to individual projects or jobs. You can assign costs, revenue, and time entries to specific projects and generate profitability reports automatically. Integration with Salesforce means project details can be pulled directly from your CRM data. This is especially useful for service-based businesses that need to track project-based revenue and costs. It ensures that accounting aligns with delivery, giving a clearer picture of profitability by client or initiative. Another key feature is the bank integration and reconciliation. With bank connectivity features, Counting Seed allows users to import transactions directly from financial institutions for easier reconciliation. You can match transactions, flag discrepancies, and close accounting periods with confidence. This significantly reduces time spent on manual reconciliation and improves financial accuracy. Also ensures that reports are based on real, up-to-date cash flow and balances. Another key feature is the custom financial reporting and dashboards. Accounting Seed offers flexible reporting tools that let you build custom financial reports and dashboards within Salesforce. from P&L and balance sheets to cash flow and budget versus actuals. You can generate reports by department, location, or project. Stakeholders and finance leaders can access clear, timely financial insights without waiting for end of month reports. Reports are dynamic and accessible in real time, promoting transparency and better business decisions. So, why is Accounting Seed a great choice? Accounting Seed stands out for its native Salesforce integration, allowing for seamless communication between accounting, sales, and operation teams. Instead of relying on disconnected systems or complex integrations, users manage financial processes directly within Salesforce, reducing data silos and boosting efficiency. Its modular design means companies can implement only the features they need, then scale up as their business grows. From small teams to enterprise organizations, Accounting Seed offers customization and automation that aligns with a variety of industries. Frequent updates and a robust partner ecosystem ensure that the platform continues to evolve with changing financial and compliance requirements. Additionally, its user-friendly interface and logical workflows help reduce onboarding time and training costs. The tight Salesforce integration means your team can get started quickly using data they already work with, making adoption much smoother than traditional accounting software. So basically, Accounting Seed is a powerful, modern financial management solution that helps Salesforce-based organizations gain tighter control over their finances. From automated accounts payable slash accounts receivable to real-time reporting and project-based accounting, it's designed to help teams eliminate inefficiencies and improve financial accuracy. So, whether you're a CFO seeking better visibility, a controller streamlining close processes, or a project manager tracking job profitability, Accounting Seed offers the tools you need in one unified platform. With a flexible architecture and strong Salesforce compatibility, it's built to scale alongside your business and support your growth. So, if you're looking to unify operations and finance without sacrificing depth or flexibility, Accounting Seed is an excellent platform to explore in 2025 and beyond. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.